Hi, I'm English teacher Kebab. Welcome. OU is for you. This video is about how to use O and U. Let's begin with O. It is just another vowel. Like all vowels, it says its own name for the long sound. O. Examples: over, old, smoke, born, broke, and road. Like all vowels, O also has a short sound. It sounds like aw. Examples: clock, sock, mom, on, off, stop, shop. Then there's little o. There are two, or not little o, excuse me, there's oo. There are two ways to pronounce oo. The first is called a hard oo in words such as boot, shoot, hoot, school, and root. The second is called a soft oo in words such as book, took, look, and cook. Now let's look at U. It's also just another vowel, and it says its own name for the long sound. It says U. Examples: united, vacuum, unicorn, fuel, usual, and amuse. But U also has another long sound. It sounds like ooh. Examples: tube, lubricate, and rule. Like all vowels, U also has a short sound, in words such as up, such, much, lunch, crunch, and dump. Next, let's talk about O and U together. There are a few pronunciations. One is in words such as about, shout, out, ouch, sound, and route. When O and W are together, they make the same sound as in words such as shower, power, tower, and cow. So OU and OW sometimes make the same sound. However, both O and U together, as well as O and W together, also have another pronunciation that sounds like the long O, as in O. Examples: although, go, source, and flourish. But wait, there's more. Sometimes OU is pronounced like one of the long U sounds, like ooh, in words such as you and acoustic. Sometimes OU sounds like a short U, in words such as trouble, cousin, and double. Lastly, when OUS are together, it means full of something or a lot of something, and almost always makes the sound of short U, in words such as fabulous, gracious, and curious. I know this was a lot, and I know it can be confusing. Watch this video as often as you want if that's what you need to do. Visit my website to read the lesson there at https://englishteacherkebab.com /ou is for you how to use o and u. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a good day.